Welcome to White Label Dating's The Inside Track, an exclusive video series bringing you all of the latest news from the online dating industry, tips and tricks to help you grow your online dating site's marketing campaigns, keeping you up to date with all of the latest product releases and enhancements from White Label Dating, and so much more. On this month's episode of The Inside Track, Elliot, an account manager within our partner team, will be talking about how we've grown daily initial revenue by 66% since lockdown. Seb, our head of White Label Dating, will be sharing how we're preparing for our brand new networks and how we're improving geographical niching. And finally, Ross, our co-CEO, will be talking about product team expansion, our brand new dating dashboard, and more exciting projects we'll be working on in the next few months.
Hi, I'm Elliot, an account manager here in the partner team at White Label Dating. And I'd like to start August Inside Track by giving you some insight into the incredible sustained performance that our partners are seeing across the White Label Dating platform. And yes, I know. Last month we were thrilled with May, and in May we were thrilled with April. But it really does just keep getting better and better. Since the beginning of lockdown in March, our partners have seen a 66% increase in daily initial revenue platform-wide. As a reminder, initial revenue is the revenue generated when a member upgrades their basic membership to a paid subscription for the very first time. At what did pose an uncertain time for B2B and B2C business across the globe back in March, White Label Dating has been able to support dating brands and members alike to stay positive in a crisis. Despite all our territories performing extremely well as we progress through 2020, I like to hone in on our USA network. The USA has certainly shown some of the largest growth and presents a huge opportunity for profitable portfolio expansion. Since March, the USA network has seen a 50% increase in registrations, coupled with just over a 100% increase in initial revenue. So yes, that's right. USA initial revenue for our partners has doubled at a rate of twice the registration growth. If that isn't testament to how well the White Label Dating platform is performing, I'm not really sure what is. 7-day conversion rate has demonstrated a 20% increase, with longer tail conversions continuing to present themselves. 7-day conversions are the accumulated number of upgrades that take place within 7 days of a member registering to a dating site. As revenues and profits grow, our partners are creating more and more sites in the USA. On average, since March, yield has increased by 15%. This means our partners are getting 15% more return from every pound or dollar that they spend. As a result of the growth, total revenues are on the up. Total revenue includes initial revenue, reinitial revenue, and rebill revenue, as our members continue to use the service across the pond following their initial upgrade. Total revenue has grown by 70% in the same time period. We've continued to monitor search trends in the USA using Google Trends Interest Over Time reports. We can see back in March, online dating-related searches scored 50, with offline-related dating searches only falling shortly behind with an interest rate of over 40. These scores represent search interest on Google, with a score of 100 representing peak popularity. Since March, online dating-related searches have sustained a new high search interest score of 70, even peaking at 100 during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic in early April. Whereas offline data-related terms are averaging an interest score of only 10, following the large drop at the end of March. We know that the search interest for online dating is there, so we've been working hard to ensure partners can profitably grow and expand dating businesses with ease in the USA. We understand that geo-targeting will be key to success in the USA. Seb, our head of White Label Dating, will tell you more about what we're doing to prepare for hyper-local niching in just a moment. But that's all from me this month. If you haven't already taken advantage of our award-winning platform, don't hesitate to contact me via partnersupport@whitelabeldating.com to get you started. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Seb, the head of White Label Dating. You may remember back in June we spoke about our exciting new network niching project. We highlighted that we are currently generating an annualised run rate investment of £1.2 million into this project. This is double what we initially committed to. The project is progressing exceptionally well and we'll soon be launching the first of our new networks. Not only this, but we'll be making considerable improvements to location-based niching that will enable our partners to narrowly target geographically as well as by niche. This month, I'll be talking to you about what we're doing to prepare for the rollout of our brand new networks. I'm delighted to share that the core infrastructure of our new mature network is now complete. We have a broad range of new interests and characteristics that are specific to the mature demographic. These have all been selected from extensive market research to considerably enhance our mature members' on-site experience. Our mature network encompasses a large number of new features. One of the features I'm most excited about personally is our new Q&A function. Anyone already running dating sites targeted to the mature demographic on our mainstream network will know that the mature audiences want to feel 100% safe and 100% secure online and need to build trust with the brand as well as with the members on the site. Our new features include a considerable number of new interests and characteristics as well as the new Q&A function. These features will allow members to feel comfortable on site and present their personality in a very detailed way. This will ensure that the members they communicate with are the best match possible, resulting in a first-class user experience that will enhance their desire to upgrade and continue their use of the site. We're currently working on our search functionality across this network too. This is how members will search for others whilst on site. It's important that our new search functionality ensures all of the new interests and characteristics can be detailed and listed in the most ergonomic way possible. As well as introducing a considerable number of new interests and characteristics, we're also in the process of redefining the ones we currently have in our existing networks, not only for mature, but also for Christian, general, casual, and alternative networks. This will provide our members with a much more customer-centric, positive experience as we continue to maximize the dating service we offer. Another soon-to-arrive opportunity for our partners is the ability to target the location of sites at a much more granular level and provide a more localized experience for specific geos. The USA, for example, is a very large country with a number of states that have many different interests and characteristics. Just imagine the opportunity of being able to target US-specific interests and narrow down by regions within a state. In the run-up to our new networks project, we conducted a considerable amount of market research to help us understand the improvements to performance that would occur if our partners were to expand their portfolios by launching hyper-targeted sites. These sites could be hyper-local and hyper-niche combos. The data we have collected shows that conversion rates are expected to be considerably higher for these hyper-targeted sites. Some hyper-niche and location combos are showing a 30 to 40% increase in both same-day and snapshot conversion rates. We've also found that LTVs are likely to increase the more hyper-niched and hyper-local the sites are, with ultimately less competition and a more targeted dating offer with a customer-centric user experience. Members are more likely to stick around and spend more money. In the past, a lot of our partners have targeted broader audiences and avoided small niches as this can significantly reduce volume. However, the profitability of campaigns linked to niche sites tends to be much higher. Therefore, the prospect of being able to launch unlimited local niched sites that when combined drive the same large volumes as more generic sites is one our partners are extremely excited about. If you want to know more about our networks or launching sites within the US, then please reach out to your partner manager. Thanks for listening. See you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Ross Williams, the co-founder and co-CEO here at White Label Dating. This month, I want to share with you some great news about our future product plans. In the last few weeks, we've hired an additional 4 employees to join our product team. This is great, as it means we expand the number of projects we're able to work on simultaneously. In addition to the new network niching project that Seb talked about earlier, we're in the final stages of work on datingdashboard.com, our brand new portal for partners. It's been rebuilt from the ground up, and the functionality and reporting available is light years ahead of our old portal. Dating Dashboard is fully cloud-based with cutting-edge, ridiculously fast reporting, forecasting, and site optimization tools. With this new tool, partners will be able to create new niche sites in just a few clicks. It's incredibly powerful, and it is the biggest release for white label dating in over a decade. We can't wait to share it with you. Throughout August and September, we'll be progressively inviting more partners to use this new tool. If you'd like to jump the queue, speak to your account manager. With the new niches and dating dashboard projects nearing completion, we've started work on our next generation messaging and content platform, which will be a similar technological leap from our existing messaging system. Work is already underway, and this next generation platform will allow members to communicate using images and videos, as well as enabling video profiles, video calling, and much, much more. We've also got some additional monetization features lined up to help grow partner revenues even further. Video and content monetization is a key part of our strategy for next year, and we'll be rolling out these features progressively in the next few months. That's all from me this month. Don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager if you have any questions, or get in touch with me directly on Twitter @RossWilliams. Thanks for listening.
Thanks for watching August Inside Track. Join us next month where we'll be showing updates on all of these exciting projects and more. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next month.